just try and stay ahead of his loop, and we just slowly pull him up. Too fast? Yep. Oh shit, we might have a shark on the sounder. Like a big shark. Okay. I think we might have a problem here.
Oh no, look at it.
Oh, you're alright. Stay there, stay there, stay there. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay.
Cut it off, cut it off.
It's alright. Just stay with it. Holy. That's a big shark, huh?
Yeah.
Stay with it.
What do I do?
Just stay with it. Stay tight. Just stay tight on the tuna. We'll try and drive away. Yeah, that was a big shark, huh?
He's still there.
That's okay. Woohoo!
Oh, I'm shaking.
It's okay. You good?
I thought he was going to get in the boat.
No, he's not going to get in the boat.
He looked like he was going to jump.
I don't know if you can see the sound here, guys, but yeah, that's a shark. A tuna, and we got one.